So did you have more fun in this car or the GT3? What's up guys, thanks for tuning in on today's video. I'm Gabe. Today we are at Homestead Miami Speedway filming some cars on the track today. More specifically, my friend's Audi R8 V10. Originally, I was thinking that I wasn't going to upload this video and I wasn't able to ride in the car because I don't have a helmet, which by the way, I'm going to buy a helmet. But I figured, you know what? Somebody is going to appreciate this video whether they like supercars or not. The Audi R8 has an IPE exhaust and some H&R lowering springs. Let's hear some crazy exhaust. So you guys are probably asking yourself why I'm not on the track with my Camaro. And the simple reason is that the Camaro is not ready for track. I have to do a bunch of fluid changes, needs new brake pads, needs new tires. But enough about me. Let's see what this R8 can do on the track. right, guys, so Bryce just made it back. The car looks like it's in one piece. All right, let's have a post-game interview, sir.
I did the best that I could, you know, coming up from the forest of Martinique. My childhood wasn't easy, but you know, I made it.
How different is it compared to the GT3?
Okay, so GT3 is amazing in the fact that you can't mess up. Like, it's just, you point, you turn, that's it. This, you feel the back end like leaving a little bit. Even though it's all-wheel drive, you still feel it.
Still heavier car.
It's heavier, that's for sure. The brakes are perfect. And the turning is... Like, I don't brake here anymore. Still, I'm just like...
Just take it, take it. I mean, bro, it handles great. It's just a weight thing compared to the GT3.
Yeah, it's a bit heavier.
So did you have more fun in this car or the GT3?
I think this, just because of the fact that you can spin out a little bit and turn around.
It's honestly...
GT3 feels like, video game. No, yeah, it's like, it's
simulator.
Perfect. It's like...
So you're saying that this basically requires more skill to handle it?
A little bit more.
With the H&R springs, do you think that it actually enhances it quite a bit?
Well, I can't compare.
And look at Felipe with the 718 GT4. One of the cars that I would love to have in my garage is a Cayman. I've always loved the Cayman platform versus there's no 911 here to compare. Actually, there is a GT3 right there. But I have always loved the Cayman, especially the GT4 series because it's the race series. But man, this is it. This is the exact spec I would get it to. Sir, how was it?
Great.
Would you recommend it to a friend?
I would recommend it to my family, not just friends.
Well, there you have it, guys. That is a track session with the Audi R8 V10 featuring Tiger Woods, aka my best friend Bryce. Hope you guys found it informative and entertaining. I certainly had some fun hearing this from the outside, and honestly, I'm quite motivated to take the car out on the track as well.